Hello everyone, and welcome to those of you finding me for the first time. Hit that subscribe button. I'm running a NRAAM special. The first 200 people pay absolutely zero. So hit that subscribe button. To you guys that are coming back, thanks for coming back. Hit the like, hit the share, comment down below. It helps out the algorithms and maybe get some more people, get their eyes on the products, the reviews, the anger rants. Right now we're going to cover the Mantis X, which was a training system I saw at NRAAM. It looked pretty awesome. Alpha gives a great presentation on it, so I'll let him do it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Hello everybody, my name is Alpha Landingham. I'm the sales director for Mantis X, and today we're going to be showing you the new Mantis X3. All right, so the X3 is this device right here. What it does is it mounts onto your Picatinny or light rail. How this device does is it's an accelerometer and a gyroscope, and it reads your body's input onto the weapon. All right, so in plain old English, you can see here on the screen, the device is recording all my little micro movements during every stage of the shot. And based on where that force is exerted, it's able to tell me what I'm doing wrong with my form. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 10 shots and we'll run through it, okay? All right, so when I'm done, I hit the stop button and it gives me my average score. And every shot that I took, I get a red mark that indicates which way I pulled the shot. When I touch the red mark, it breaks down what I did wrong with my form and how to fix it. So the joke around the office is this is actually a humble pie machine. It serves it professionally. So it gives you the data in several different ways. You get your split times, your score, shot order, average, total time, what you did wrong, how to correct it. Gives you a graph to show your consistency of performance, and you get to see your muzzle trace. So you can actually see how the barrel is moving during the different stages of the shot. And so the blue is getting on target, the yellow is your trigger press, the white X is your point of impact, and then the red line is your muzzle flip after the shot. And the device itself will work on any pistol, any semi-automatic rifle, left, right-handed shooters, CO2, dry fire, and live fire. So any way you can train, this device can hang with you. And the device works with an app that you can download and install on any Android or Apple operating system. It works via Bluetooth, so you can use it in a concrete box. The battery life itself lasts 16 hours. We dropped it out of an airplane at 2,000 feet. We ran it over with a truck. It is almost Glock proof. And the best part, it's only 170 bucks. And it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year manufacturing warranty, and it's made entirely in the United States. Not assembled, boys, but made in the US of A. And all my software engineers are also US boys too. So if you're brave enough to figure out what you're doing wrong and you want to improve your shooting, come and talk to us. Thank you very much and have a good day.